Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Switch covers is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Nintendo Switch owner looking to protect their console from everyday wear and tear, scratches, and accidental drops, ensuring its longevity and pristine condition for countless gaming sessions. With a vast array of designs, materials, and functionalities available on the market, choosing the right cover can significantly enhance your gaming experience and personalize your device, making it a worthwhile investment for any serious gamer. Number 5. Enerlites 8811W Toggle Wall Plate Cover, 10-pack. Introducing our light switch cover plates, crafted from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic. They are designed to withstand hard impacts and heavy force, ensuring long-lasting durability. These plates are built to resist heat and fading, even in temperatures exceeding 100 degrees. This means they will maintain their color and appearance over time without discoloration. Replacing your old wall plates is simple with these. They are designed for easy replacement in any wall plate configuration of the same size. Enjoy a smooth, easy-to-clean surface. The design features no recessed lines and soft edges, making cleaning a breeze. These covers are compatible with Enerlites toggle switches and come with matching screws for a seamless installation. They are also UL listed for your safety and peace of mind. This convenient 10-pack comes in a classic white finish, perfect for updating multiple switches in your home or office. What we like. This option is made from an unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic, ensuring it can withstand impacts and heavy force. It's also heat and fade resistant, protecting against discoloration over time. If you're looking for a durable and long-lasting solution for a standard toggle switch that's easy to maintain, this is a great choice for high-traffic areas. What people say. The switch covers are easy to install and fit perfectly on my existing light switches. I love the sleek and modern design of these switch covers, they really updated the look of my rooms. The durable material feels high quality and I expect these switch covers to last a long time. Number 4. Lisol Child Safety Wall Switch Guards, 2-pack. Introducing the Lisol Child Safety Wall Switch Guards. These easy-to-install covers ensure your light switches stay in the desired position, protecting your smart home devices and preventing accidental power outages. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach these guards over your standard toggle switches. They keep the light on or off, safeguarding your circuits and appliances from unintended changes. Made from durable plastic, these guards fit any standard light switch and wall plate. The design allows the switch to remain accessible while secured in place. Effectively prevent accidental power interruptions to essential appliances, security lighting, and outlets. Lock your switches in the on or off position with confidence. Our safe and convenient design blends seamlessly with any home decor. They effectively prevent inadvertent activation of sensitive wall switches for both children and adults. Please remember, these are switch covers designed to prevent accidental activation, not physical locks. They offer peace of mind by ensuring switches are not inadvertently flipped. What we like. This product is designed to keep your light switches in a fixed position, preventing accidental on or off flips. It's perfect for protecting smart home devices or preventing children from tampering with light switches. If you need to secure your switches against unintended changes, especially in households with children or for critical appliances, this guard is ideal. What people say. The switch covers are easy to install and fit perfectly on my existing light switches. I love the sleek and modern design of these switch covers, they really updated the look of my room. The durable material feels high quality and I expect these switch covers to last a long time. Number 3. Enerlites 881231W Combination Wall Plate. Crafted from polycarbonate thermoplastic, this wall plate offers exceptional durability. It's designed to withstand hard impacts and heavy force, ensuring long-lasting performance in your home. Engineered to resist heat and fading, it maintains its pristine white color even when exposed to temperatures over 100 degrees. This ensures it won't discolor or fade over time. Replacing your existing 3-gang wall plate is a breeze with this easy-to-install option. Its smooth finish and soft edges make cleaning simple and quick. This wall plate is compatible with Enerlites 61501 series, toggle switches, and all standard Decorator devices. It includes matching colored screws for a seamless look. Rest assured with its UL-listed certification, guaranteeing safety and quality. It meets stringent standards for your peace of mind. Measuring 4.5 inches in height and 6.38 inches in length, it's a standard size 3-gang cover. It perfectly fits your existing setup without any modifications. What we like. This cover plate offers a combination design for a 3-gang setup, accommodating both toggle and decorator rocker switches. Like other Enerlites products, it's made from durable, heat-resistant polycarbonate. If you have a multi-switch wall with a mix of toggle and rocker devices and need a robust, unified cover, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The switch covers are easy to install and fit perfectly. They look great on the wall and give a modern touch to the room. The material is durable and feels high quality. Number 2. Enerlites 881131 W2 Gang Decorator Toggle Switch Wall Plate Combination. Introducing a wall plate designed for ultimate durability. Made from polycarbonate, it's built to withstand impacts and heavy force, ensuring long-lasting use in your home. This plate is engineered to resist high temperatures, over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it will maintain its color and appearance, resisting discoloration and fading over time. Replacing your old wall plate is simple with this easy-to-install option. Its smooth finish and soft edges also make cleaning a breeze. Designed for versatility, it's compatible with Enerlites 61501 series, toggle switches, and all standard decorator devices. Screws are included for a complete installation. With a UL 94 V2 flammability rating and UL listing, you can trust in its safety and quality. It's a reliable choice for any room. What we like. This is a 2-gang combination wall plate, also constructed from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic. It offers the same resilience and fade resistance as other premium options. If you need a versatile cover for a 2-gang setup that can house both toggle and decorator devices and want a sleek, durable finish, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The switch covers are very easy to install, just snap them on. They fit perfectly on my standard light switches and look great. The matte finish resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping them looking clean. Number 1. Enerlites Duplex Wall Plates Kit 8821W. Introducing our new wall plates, crafted from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic. They are designed to withstand hard impacts and heavy force, ensuring long-lasting durability. These plates are built to last, resisting heat and fading even above 100 degrees. This means they'll maintain their color and appearance over time, looking great for years to come. Replacing your old wall plates is a breeze with this kit. Their smooth finish and soft edges also make them incredibly easy to clean, keeping your walls looking tidy. Measuring 4.50 x 2.76, these standard-sized covers fit seamlessly into your existing setup. They are compatible with Enerlites 61581 and 61580 series for a perfect match. Rest assured, this product is UL listed and comes with matching painted screws for a clean, professional look. It's a reliable choice for your home or office. This convenient 10-pack in classic white provides excellent value. You'll have plenty of high-quality wall plates for multiple applications. What we like. This kit provides duplex wall plates specifically for electrical outlets, coming in a convenient 10-pack. They share the same unbreakable and heat-resistant polycarbonate construction. If you're looking to replace multiple standard outlet covers throughout your home with a durable, consistent, and easy-to-clean solution, this multi-pack is a practical and economical choice. What people say. The switch covers are easy to install and fit perfectly on my existing light switches. I love the sleek and modern design of these switch covers, they really updated the look of my room. The durable material feels high quality and I expect these switch covers to last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.